Hey everybody, this is Diana Diaz, and today I'm bringing you a beautiful decoration with lace and flowers. We will begin by applying a clear base. We'll protect the lateral sides of the nail to prevent them from becoming stained using the Deko Magic. For the decoration, I will use the black and white acrylic nail paint by Deko Uñas. The first step is to draw a small curtain shape in the free rim area of the nail. A trick you can use to draw the small curtain is to draw it up first with some black acrylic paint and a detail brush. And once you accomplish the shape you want in the nail, you can fill the spaces with the black nail polish, or if you can draw them directly, you can proceed to do it directly with the nail polish. Then you can polish the sides that need to be fixed with the detail brush. Now we will remove the protective barrier and we'll make sure to clean the sides very well. We will continue by drawing up the small curtain using a liner and a white acrylic paint. Now we will paint some inverted arches on the internal lines of the curtain. We will continue by filling with lines all the interior part of the arches. We will draw the lines starting from the center and moving to the exterior part of the arches. Now, with the help of a dotting tool, we will mark the center of each one of the arches and we'll add some white dots on top of them. To finish it up, we'll apply the top coat and our lace design will be ready and beautiful. We'll proceed now to the next design that are some beautiful flowers. Let's begin by making a 5-petals flower using the detail brush and some white acrylic paint. We will begin with the superior petal, then we'll draw the petal from the right and then the petal from the left, and we will finish up by drawing the 2 petals that go below. Now we will draw another flower, but a little bit smaller than the other one, on the central part of the nail. With the help of the liner and some black acrylic paint, we will give some depth to the flower by making small interior lines, starting from the center of each petal and drawing to the exterior part. Then we will fill the center part with some black color. Now, with the detail brush and some black acrylic paint, we will add some black leaves by the side of the flower. We will give some depth to the leaves by drawing some white lines using the detail brush. Apply the top coat to make your nails shine. And to finish your decoration, add a little bit of nail resin in the center of each flower and there put a little crystal, and that's it. We finished this beautiful decoration. I really hope you liked this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel to see more video tutorials, and I also invite you to visit my webpage www.dekounas.com. Bye!